Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing y'all along as we kind of clean up the outside of our house, get the porch all spiffy and clean, and also I'm going to decorate for fall and Halloween. Darren was actually busy pressure washing the house today. If you have a siding house, you probably know the kind of little green algae that just likes to build up on the siding. He was pressure washing all of that, getting that taken care of, cleaning up our rocking chairs, spraying down the porch, just getting everything really nice and clean. I'm going to take you guys out shopping with me, and then we're going to come back and decorate the porch for Halloween. Hey y'all, welcome back. So as you saw already, we are kind of working on the outside today, getting it ready for fall and Halloween. But now I'm finally getting a chance to go out of the house for a little bit. And basically I want to go find some mums, some pumpkins, and I really would like to find something Halloween-ish for the front door, like a wreath or just some kind of Halloween hanger, I don't know. So anyway, I thought I would just bring you guys along with me. I am kid-free today, husband-free for the day, so I thought I would just bring y'all along and we'll go out and do a little bit of shopping. And yeah, that's the main things I want to find, but if I see any other little cute fall or Halloween things, I might get those as well. I still need to go up in our attic and pull down from our storage. I know we have some stuff up there, so anyway, just come along, hang out with me today. We're going to be working on getting the porch ready for fall, finally, even though it's hot outside today, but I can't wait to get the porch all festive and cute. So let's go see what we can find. Alright y'all, weird angle for a second while I'm at a stoplight. So I ran in a couple stores. I went to TJ Maxx and Kirkland's, and y'all, I feel behind. If you are just now starting your fall decorating and you're going out shopping, you're not gonna find anything, because Kirkland's and even TJ Maxx had Christmas stuff out already, which I'm all about. That's perfectly fine, but this year I am, you know, a little bit more behind than normal. So I'm gonna go in Ross really quick, and maybe even Walmart, because I think I've seen a couple cute Halloween wreaths in there. Let me hold on to y'all so you don't go flying. But yeah, I just think that's so funny that literally it's not even October yet, and there is almost no fall or Halloween to be found in those stores. So hopefully I'll have better luck in here. I'm gonna save Lowe's for last, just because I know that I'll be getting mums and like dirty stuff in there, so I don't want to be hauling that all around. But anyway, I'm gonna run in Ross really quick. I did stop at Starbucks for one because I was starving. I've not had anything to eat except for a few pieces of bacon this morning, and I was starting to feel a little dizzy. Of course, they didn't even have any egg bites, which they never do, especially if you go at 3 o'clock. But I got a coffee, and y'all, I've been addicted to, what's it even called? Pumpkin cream cold brew. These are so good, especially if you don't like super sweet coffee. It's basically just cold brew on the bottom, and then the pumpkin cream kind of sits on top. And I think that's about all the sweetness it has, but they're really good. So I've been sipping my coffee. Now I'm at Ross. Let's run in here, see if we have any better luck finding any wreath or anything. I'm not wanting to spend a lot of money either, you know, so we'll see. We're gonna go in here, and then Walmart, and then Lowe's, and then home, because I still need it to be daylight before I try to decorate my porch. So I really need to get a move on. All right, I am finally home. So I'm gonna get this porch decorated really quick. So I bought some of these little bats. I'm sure you've seen everybody using these in their home, but I thought it'd be kind of cute to use them out here on the porch. So I might put them like going up the wall somehow. And then I did buy a pumpkin and 2 mums, so I want to put those things out, switch out my flag. So I'm sure this rug is familiar to most of y'all. I've had this for a few years. It was really dirty, but I didn't want to just throw it away, and I also didn't want to put it in my washing machine. So I had Darren just spray it off with the pressure washer. It's a little bit wet still, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. Then I have my little boo sign that I always put out here. The back says hello fall. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Halloween one this year. So I just got my mums from Lowe's. I think they were $13.98 a piece. They're pretty big, and I got ones that weren't quite bloomed yet because I looked up how long they last, and it said about 3 weeks when they're fully bloomed. So that should give me time. Just one in there. I have this little jack-o'-lantern galvanized little pail that I got, I think last year. Somebody gave it to me, but I never did use it. It said it came from Walmart though. So I thought that would be cute to kind of sit down here and put that other mum with that one. And I just bought one pumpkin for now, and it has a little green stem, which I thought was super cute, so I'm just gonna put that with my mums. So I already had that pillow from last year. It did come from Walmart, and I think they still have that exact one. But then I did pick up this one that just says trick or treat, because I didn't think I knew where my other one was. So anyway, I'm just gonna put those little pillows there. And then I'm just gonna put this little jack-o'-lantern guy right here. He is kind of faded. I've used him a few years. The back's kind of more copper, but I could leave it like that. Let's see if I want the face or that. That's kind of what it looks like up here so far. So I'm gonna get Darren to change my flag for me. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but that's what my flag looks like. Where did I get this from? I can't remember where I got it. I just thought it was really cute. Normally I have a little witch flag, but just to switch things up, I'm gonna hang that one out here. So now time to add the cute little bats. I thought it'd be super fun to add them right here since I have a little bit of space here between the window and the door, and I wanted them to kind of swoop up and almost around the door. So the best way I found to do these is just to kind of play with them, just move them around. I started with the larger ones and then added in the medium ones and then went smaller and smaller until I reached kind of where I wanted the bats to end up. But I really like how it turned out. I wasn't sure if I would or not, but I don't know, I kind of like it. It's really fun. So if you're new here and you've made it this far in the video, I just wanted to invite y'all to go ahead and subscribe. It's totally free. All subscribing does is notifies you when you get on YouTube anytime I upload a new video. Alright, I think I'm done with the porch. I think it turned out really cute. I'm loving those bats more than I thought I would actually like them. I think that looks really cool. Over there, it's pretty simple, but that's normally how I like to keep the porch. And I just ended up using this old wreath, but what I think I'm gonna do is just make a bow for this wreath. I have some orange and black buffalo check, and I think that'll be really pretty and kind of tie in all the Halloween stuff we got going on. Y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy to have my fall and Halloween porch done. I think it looks so cute and festive. I can't wait to just sit out here and enjoy it. Next comes Christmas. I can't even believe it. But anyway, I hope y'all doing great. Thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.